In this video, I'm gonna be answering your question on is it safe to borrow money from Fairmoney? Yeah, over thousands of people have borrowed money from Fairmoney with no issue, except those people that fail to pay back their loan. So, people are so smart. Let me say that people are so smart in the essence that they want to borrow money without paying back. There are a lot of loan apps out there that have borrowed people money, but people are not they are not paying back, which is quite bad to a business. So I don't know how and what people think about that, but then we all like to do a business and also make money. And to me, I think all these apps are really saving lives and helping people. Although they are making money, of course they should. That's the result for running a business. But is it safe to borrow money from fair money? Yes, I would say that. So you can borrow money as long as you don't have any bad intention against them. So put in all your details you requested for and take a loan from them. Then make sure you follow all the terms and conditions of the app. Pay back the money within the stipulated time and you won't have any issue with the app. That is what I have to tell you. But you know that like a lot of people out there are just trying to play smart, trying to borrow money without paying back, which is very, very bad. And if you are like that type of people, I think you should change your way. So it's not gonna help in any way because on the long run it might also affect you. That's just my own opinion. You might not take it. You might say I'm saying rubbish. It's all fine. I just have to say my own. Thank you.